So yeah, you need to go onto the Dermatica website. There's a free trial going on, and this is the one that I opted for, postage and packaging, which was only £2.90 for the first 28 days of trying Dermatica. So once you go to start your free trial, this is where it takes you to your profile for acne, anti-aging, melasma, pigmentation, rosacea. Let's go to acne. Before going forward, you have to fill out the information you see on screen at the moment just to set up an account. Then you can fill out a little questionnaire about your skin, what problems you're having, what you want to work on, and past medical history, general questions about you. You'll have to upload some pictures of your skin so they can analyse it before proceeding on to the payment of postage and packaging. Yours over here will say pending, so that means a doctor is looking at your profile to determine your prescription, and then it will change to dispatched. When you receive it, it will say active. Then you get a package like this, Dermatica on it. Inside your package. Inside your package, you treatment guide. It doesn't have your name on it. This is how to use your treatment and everything about your treatment. I'm going to do a full review on this in another video. And then you've got your... okay. So this is how it comes. This should last you about 28 to 30 days. So basically it should last your whole period until your next one comes through. Okay. Open it at the top and pump it out. So now I'm doing the free trial. Down here it tells me when they dispatched it and when my next one is due. Okay, it also tells me what my prescription is. Now when you scroll down from that section I was just on, it comes to the pictures that you've uploaded, and I've just hidden mine so it looks a bit awkward. They actually emailed me to tell me, they emailed me a question. So make sure you're active with your email and you're regularly checking your email so you don't miss anything from them, because I think I might have replied to the email a day late. Nonetheless, it still took 5 days. So they emailed me for about 4 to 5 days after I signed up and submitted everything, and I replied like on day 6, for instance. Okay, and that's basically it. So now I'm on the treatment history portion. Okay, now it tells you your subscription start date. This is something to remember. Okay, this is the day you actually signed up for Dermatica, and you've got to remember that, because 28 days from that day, although they didn't get back to you, although they waited a week to do the consultation, and although, you know, it took a while for them to send it, that the day you received is not the date they start the 28 days from. So just remember that date. Okay, so see, they dispatched it on the 21st. So you cancel your subscription if you just want to do the free trial first before that date. I say give it at least 3 days. Okay, don't give it any less, because you need to wait for that transaction to go through. Okay, and how you do that is you go on edit subscription, cancel subscription here. Now it tells you what happens when you cancel it. It tells you they're not going to charge you, okay, and you'll only be charged if you resume it, and that's great, because if you want to resume it and you're happy with the results that you're getting and the way your treatment's going, you're more than welcome to continue it, which I think is perfect for me because I'm spending a lot of money. This is going to work better than my current routine and the current things that I've tried. Okay, and that's basically it for how Dermatica works, how to get it signed up, and what happens when it comes to you in the post. Just make sure to stay tuned for my other videos that are going to look at my Dermatica journey and my other skincare journeys. I also do unboxing videos, which I've got uploaded on my channel, so you can check them out, and I'll also leave them linked so it's easy for you to find. And I've also got some reviews of the skincare products I'm currently using that are non-prescription based, and I've been using something that really worked amazingly as a spot treatment, or any spots. It actually worked on more than one spot, so that's something to stay tuned for if you like those kind of videos. Yeah, hope this was useful to you.